Hello dear students, today we are going to learn history, lesson number 2, sources of history. A number of objects used by our ancestor still exist. Okay, ancestor means ancient peoples. Okay. Some inscriptions from past have been recovered. These sources help us to understand history. The custom and traditions, folk art and folk literature and historical documents help us to understand history. All these are known as sources of history. These are material sources, written sources and oral sources. Let's see material sources. The artifacts means reality. Articles which shows us story. What happened in the past. Monuments or their ruins. Ruins means damaged or destroyed particles, as you can see in the pictures. These are called material sources of history. Next, written sources. In the Stone Age, people have recorded many events and expressed emotions in paintings on a rock. Later man used symbols and signs to record thoughts. Thousands of years later, script was developed. In the beginning, man wrote on potsherds, unbaked bricks by using pointed objects. He also used bhujapatra, bark of beech tree, to write. As man's knowledge and experience increased, he began to use various forms of writing. The proceedings in royal court were recorded in writing. The edicts, decrees and deeds of kings were inscribed on stone or copper plates. Many forms of literature such as poetry, plays, books on a social and religious subjects, travelers, scientific writings developed. All these together form the writing sources of history. Next, oral sources. Always folk songs, folk tales and literature are passed from generation to generation by word of mouth. The author of this unwritten literature is unknown. Literature preserved by oral tradition is the oral sources of history. Next, sources of ancient Indian history. Let's see this chart on page number 8 and try to read by yourself. It will easily understand you. Next point, precautions to be taken while writing history. It is necessary to take precautions while using these sources to write history. These precautions are critical examination to write documents. Second, cross-checking of calculations from various sources. Hope you understood our second lesson. Thank you.